In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize files in OneDrive. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone just looking to clean up your digital life, having an organized OneDrive can make your day-to-day tasks much smoother and stress-free. So let's dive in and take it step by step to get everything in perfect order. First, let's start with creating folders. Folders are really your best friend when it comes to keeping files organized. Imagine them as digital drawers you can label and store things in so they're easy to find later. To create a folder, you'll want to begin by navigating to your OneDrive account on your computer or mobile device. Once you're there, look for either the Create or Upload button, which is typically located at the top of your OneDrive dashboard. This button serves as your access point to initiate the creation of something new, including folders, documents, and other files. Now, once you click on Create or Upload, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll see the option to create a new folder. Click on this folder option. This is your first step into the world of digital organization within OneDrive. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to give your new folder a name. This part is essential because a thoughtful naming system will save you time in the future. Think about the purpose of the folder, whether it's for personal documents, work projects, school assignments, or something else, and type in a name that reflects its contents clearly. Taking a moment to name your folder precisely will make future navigation a breeze. After you've created the folder, it's time to move your files into it. This is where the actual organizing magic happens. Locate the files you want to organize within your OneDrive. You can simply click and drag these files into your new folder. If you're using a mobile device, you might need to use the Select Files option to drag them into the folder, or use the Move To function, which will accompany you step by step until the task is complete. By moving the files into your newly created folders, you create a cleaner, more streamlined space, making it much easier to locate documents in the future. Remember, organizing files isn't a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Whenever you save a new document or file in your OneDrive, try to immediately move it into the right folder. This habit will save you from clutter down the road. And there you have it. These few steps can help keep your OneDrive tidy and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.